Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place a letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words in the definitions to help you. Word bank. A. Sedimentary rock. B. Fossil fuels. C. Fossil. D. Conservation. E. Cementation. F. Compaction. G. Petroleum. Number 1. The remains or traces of an organism that lived long ago. Number 2. The careful use and protection of natural resources. Number 3. The process by which sediments are pressed together under their own weight. Number 4. Rocks that form when sediments are pressed and cemented together over time. Number 5. Fuels formed in the earth from plant or animal remains. Number 6. The minerals form a sort of glue that sticks the pieces of rock together. Number 7. A type of natural oil that can be refined to make gasoline fuel. Number 8. Using the figure to the right, what layer would be the oldest? A. Layer A. B. Layer B. C. Layer C. D. Layer D. Number 9. Fossil fuels form in sedimentary rocks when A. Plants use the nutrients in sediments to grow. B. Organic matter is buried along with sediments. C. Rivers carry sediments down mountainsides. D. Sediments are used by humans as a resource. Number 10. Coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Fossil fuels originated from A. Buried dead organisms changed by heat and pressure. B. Heat preserved within Earth's crust. C. Decayed rocks from within Earth's crust. D. Plants that survived Earth's changes. Number 11. A team of scientists are studying the fossils in the cross-section of rock shown on the right. In which layers of rock are the oldest leaf and fish fossils found? A. Layer 1 and 3. B. Layer 2 and 4. C. Layer 3 and 7. D. Layer 6 and 7. Number 12. A scientist found a fossil of an organism that had gills. When the organism was living, the area in which it lived was most likely covered by A. Forest. B. Grassland. C. Bare rock. D. Water. Number 13. Why are most fossils found in sedimentary rocks? A. Sedimentary rocks are not very old. B. Organisms live only in areas with sedimentary rock. C. Organisms can be conserved in sedimentary rock. D. Sedimentary rocks are found only at the surface of the ground. Number 14. The diagram below shows the sequence of the processes that turn solid rock into sandstone. Which two processes best complete this diagram? Solid rock, weathering, erosion, and deposition, beach sand, sandstone. A. Melting and cooling. B. Erosion and compaction. C. Compaction and cementation. D. Evaporation and dissolving. Directions. Place an F next to fossil fuels and an N next to the ones that are not fossil fuels. 15. Coal. 16. Natural gas. 17. Oil.